Welcome to Python Academy and course on data visualization with Tableau. Course content consists of 6 main chapters. Number 1, Tableau overview and installation. Number 2, dimensions and measures. Number 3, data visualization. Number 4, advanced plots. Number 5, filtering data. And number 6, dashboard and stories. Let's see in detail. Each chapter consists of important task which you have to complete in your Tableau workshop. Data visualization with Tableau curriculum consists of mainly 6 chapters. First chapter consists of overview and installation, where you can learn how to download the Tableau from Tableau website and how to install Tableau desktop in your local computer. How to connect the different data sources with Tableau including sheets and making the dashboards and stories. All the overview of Tableau feature will complete here. Second chapter consists of measures and dimensions. Visualization based on measures and dimensions with file types and their use, connecting Tableau with MS Excel. Here, whenever we connect any data sheet or data source to Tableau automatically differentiate the data as per their convenience, and it bifurcate the qualitative values and numeric values, that is quantitative values, into measures and dimensions. At the same time, most of the data sources are available in MS Excel. Hence, how to connect Tableau with MS Excel we will see in this chapter. Chapter number 3 comprises with data visualization, where the overview of visualization with how to plot the effective bar chart, effective line chart, and pie chart will be seen. After that, how advanced plot can be created with the help of data sources available and connected with the Tableau, and hence we will cover here stacked bar chart, bubble chart, box and viscous plot, field maps, histogram, and scatter plot. Because the Tableau's vision is to understand the data visualization with completely drag and drop technology. Tableau is a very powerful tool which can build different graphs within a minutes or within a seconds. So let's move on to our fifth chapter, that is filters. Selection filters, interactive filters, and quick filters are the main filters, and generally repetitively we can use this filter in every data source. Condition based filtering, applying totals, table calculations, and create calculated fields, add columns and rows total is a part of chapter number 5, filters. Every feature is repetitively and continuously we can use in every dataset, because all the filters and the calculations is a part of statistics, and without statistics you cannot build any visualization. So you have to apply the totals and the filtering option every time during your visualization. Number 6 is dashboards and storytelling. Here we can create the stories, sorting of data, and interactive dashboard with different types of joins and highlighting. We will see at the end of the course one case study where all these commands will covered, and you can learn the basics of Tableau. So let's move on our first chapter, that is Tableau desktop. So let's start with our chapter number 1, Tableau desktop and overview and installation. In this chapter, we will cover the basics of Tableau, introduction of Tableau, how to install the Tableau, database support, places to publish the report, plotting of charts and maps in Tableau, dashboard, and storytelling. Last two part is very important as far as data visualization is concerned, because whatever the data sources you will have and you will connect with the Tableau, you will get the inference what the exact data shows. And hence, dashboard building and storytelling is a part of report writing and report publishing. So after that, we will see how the different charts and plots we can combine together in dashboard. So let's start our first chapter, that is introduction to Tableau. What is Tableau? Tableau Software is an American computer software company headquartered in Seattle, USA. It generates interactive data visualization which focused on business intelligence. Tableau Analytics platform makes it easier for people to explore, manage data, faster to discover, and share the insight that can change the business world. Because company's vision is to understand the data visualization completely with the help of drag and drop technology. Companies' new and innovative approach to build the business intelligence with the help of Tableau, and with the help of navigation of Tableau, you can come to know that how features are very easy and user friendly that can easily understand by the customers. Next is why Tableau. Number one feature of Tableau, it is very speedy to plot the graph within a seconds, or even the data is so big you can easily filter it out, and as per your requirement you can plot the graph within a second. Second is user friendly Tableau, because in this software the features are so descriptive and depictive so that you can easily understand what it delivers while we use any feature. Interactive dashboard is a powerful tool in Tableau where you can draw the inference with the help of combining the different worksheets in single dashboard. Direct connection to multiple database. Tableau has 50 plus databases connection in Connection Manager. We will see in detail how the Connection Manager plays an important role to connect the database from server as well as in files. Next, easy to publish and sharing. Whenever you prepare a report or the graph or dashboard, you can share on mobile, desktop or tablet, having multiple extensions of files, and you can publish it in within a second. As per Gartner survey, Tableau has a growing market in next 5 years also. Who is Gartner? Gartner is a giant company working on research and as an advisory firm providing information, advice, and tools for leaders in IT, finance, HR, customer service and support, communications, legal and compliance, marketing sector, sales, and supply chain functions. Next is industries uses Tableau. Sports management companies like Star Sports, ESPN, 10 Sports, 10 1, and 10 2 channels, which are generally capturing the live events of the sports. Communication and media, banking sector, insurance company, travel and transportation, healthcare sector, manufacturing sector, retail and wholesales, consumer goods, and list is so on. So I have given here an example of powerful visualization technique used by the Star Sports channel. This wagon wheel comprises with the real-time capturing of data and showing you how the player is hitting the sixes all over the ground by the visual technology. Whenever you see any real-time live match, the data visualization is the most powerful technique where you can easily visualize and analyze the player performance as well as team performance. Tableau products. These are the main list of Tableau products available on the Tableau website. Here, Tableau Desktop, Tableau Server, Tableau Online, Tableau Preparation, Tableau CRM, Tableau Public, Data Management, Server Management, and Embedded System. As far as the data analyst role is concerned, Tableau Desktop and Tableau Public are the most popular tools used for the visualization technique. Here, you can see Tableau also offers the Tableau Server and Tableau Reader along with the Tableau Desktop and Tableau Public product. Here, the main difference between the Tableau Desktop and Tableau Public is if you are using Tableau Desktop, you can store your visualizations in your local computer system, and when you use Tableau Public, whatever you are visualize in your worksheet, you can directly store on your Tableau server. You cannot access the file on your local computer system. You have to access the file from Tableau server. That is the main difference between Tableau Public and Tableau Desktop. Now let's see the job opportunities on Tableau. Today, the Tableau professionals are required for every multinational companies, and if you see as per the Glassdoor survey in the year 2021, the average monthly package for data analyst starting from 62,000 and up to 1,20,000 approximately. And here on the left hand side of this graph, you can see the post is as per Tableau professional, data analyst, business analyst, BI analyst, BI consultant, BI developer, data engineer, BI architect, data architect, business intelligence, and data scientist. Here you can see there are Tableau conducts a few professional exams, and after passing that exam, you will have a certified Tableau professional in your field. So these are the career opportunities after completing this course. Then let's see what is Tableau Desktop. Tableau Desktop is a data visualization application to facilitate you to examine virtually any kind of structured data. Generate highly interactive, beautiful graphs, dashboards, and reports within the minutes. Remember, you can create the interactive dashboard within the minutes. Once you connect your database with the Tableau, you have to just drag and drop the fields and you will get the basic graph within the minutes. So let's see the Tableau installation process. If you want to install Tableau Desktop from Tableau website, this is the simple 4 steps you have to follow. Step 1, go to tableau.com and click on the Tableau Desktop. Enter your mail ID and download the file. After downloading the file on your local system, accept the license agreement and check the acceptance box and click on install button. After installing the Tableau version, the icon is created and you can start the Tableau Desktop. At the same time, Tableau public installation is same as that of Tableau Desktop. When you see the tableau.com in the product section, Tableau public option is available. After clicking on Tableau public option, you will have to again enter your valid email ID and download the app. After the installation, it's very easy to operate and run the Tableau public on your local computer system. So let's see what are the different database supports which are available in Tableau. Number one is spreadsheet, big data, access to data warehouses, cloud application, cloud database, and other 50 plus different databases. So let's see what are the different options of databases available in Tableau Connection Manager. When we open the Tableau desktop, the connection manager is open. You can see here on the left hand side of my screen. These are the typical files you can connect on the Tableau with the options. Number one, Microsoft Excel, TextDoyle, that is .txt, JSON file format, Microsoft Access format, PDF file format, special files, statistical files, and so on. At the same time, if you want to fetch the data from the server, here the server options are also available in variety of databases like Azure, CloudX, Databricks, IBM Cloud, Google Drive, Google Analytics, and so on. The list is very big. You can fetch the data for visualization and you can create the visualization with the help of Tableau. After visualization, you can share your visualization with colleagues, high level management, and your boss with the help of three options. Number one, desktop. It may be Windows or it may be Mac. Then any mobile and the tablet. Tableau has a long list of mobiles and tablets. You can select a particular company mobile and you can share the file format on the go within a second. So this is again a very powerful tool for sharing and publish your report to any hierarchy of your company. Now let's start with the plotting of charts and maps in Tableau. A very basic type of chart like pie chart, bar chart and line chart, which are very familiar to everyone, and we have learned this in our school days. So these are the basic charts you can plot within a second in Tableau. I will give a brief between these charts and we will compare how they are concluded at their space. So number one is pie chart. What is pie chart? Pie chart represents the data in circular path and the slices made by the pie chart is nothing but it is relative with your data and it represents the whole data in circular path. If you consider this pie chart here, first quarter, second quarter, third quarter, and fourth quarter is represented by the colors. And here, at a glance, you can see the first quarter of the sale is uh, having majority amongst the other quarters. At the same time, if you see here the bar chart plotted between the children's and the favorite colors, you will see here the yellow color is having a majority of the children's and the second highest majority of the children's is red color. And at an instance, you can also see the color combinations applied on this bar chart in Tableau. So at a glance, you can also see the variety of color palettes is allocated automatically and you can see the graph very attractive and very easily you can inference what is the majority of color preferred by the childrens. Next is line chart. Line chart is a graph utilizes points here and lines to represent change over time. If you see the product trends by month from January to September, the trend is almost increasing in their order, right? So this is typical line chart and the best example of line chart when you watch the live match, the performance and the performance of a player or team is generally represented by the line chart year wise. Next is field map. This is the most important and very attractive feature in Tableau where you can fill the map according to the category and at the same time you can use the color palettes for different countries, states and the city. At the same time you can highlight whatever you want in field map and at the same time you can modify the data visualization as per your requirement. So this is the two pictures which shown to you country by category, and if you see A, B, C, D, E, F, these are the color codes allotted to different countries, and in this second map the quality percentage is also shown by the dots red and green. Next is scatter plot. These are all advanced plot. It may be not familiar with you, but Tableau has an exceptionally uh, powerful tool for plotting such advanced plot within a minute. So what is scatter plot? It is an advanced plot and generally uses two variables for plotting the scatter plot. Display the relationship between the variables, and identification of correlationship is the main motto to plot the scatter plot. In this example, two variables are diameter and height. Diameter is given in centimeter and height is in meter, and hence two bottle manufacturers are compared with Milton and Furson. Milton bottle has starting range of approximately 3 centimeter with a height of say 2 meter, and at the same time if we compare the Furson bottle, it is having a 4 almost 4.1 centimeter diameter of an height 2.5 meter. So this is the relationship you can easily compare with the help of visuals. We will see in detail when we plot the scatter plot according to our databases. Next important and very popular chart is bubble chart. What is bubble chart? It is a generally used for limited data size capacity. Here in this example, you can see different names of the country, which shows if the data consists of tourist pool, which country is most popular for travel and tourism. This bubble chart shows the London and Paris are the most popular cities as per the tourist, and hence the area of circle is bigger as compared to list. And if you see what is the least popular country or state, you can see here the Jakarta or Cairo is the minimum or least popular country for travels and tourism. This is the inference of bubble chart. Next is box and whiskers plot. Here, this box and whiskers plot is also called as five summary graph, where the 5 points are most important points to plot this graph. Here, the lower extreme, then lower quartile, median, upper quartile, and upper extreme are the 5 points, and it is automatically drafted as per your databases. These all advanced plot are recommended when and required as per your convenience, because these need some technical knowledge of how to plot and what is the inference of this particular box and whiskers plot as per your requirement. Again, one of the most technical term called as outlier, that is single data point, is shown as per your databases. So I will not discuss here what are the outliers, but you must know what are the outliers in the databases. So when we plot the visualization and we will select the databases, I will explain you what are the outliers and how they are plays an important role to remove the outliers during the visualizations. Next is area chart. Area chart is a stacked line chart, you can say, or advanced line chart plotted against your database. These are two types generally most popular are stacked area chart and overlapping area chart. You can see here the color palettes are allotted for profit made by chain of grocery store month wise. In the month of January, the profit is having of $25,000 and it is decreasing in the month of February. At the same time, if you see the different grocery stores, You can see the January to June, whatever the comparison I have made, each comparison you can easily inference with the help of this area chart. Only the difference between line chart and area chart is you can easily identify the area and the flow of the chart in area chart. Next is dashboard and storytelling. Interactive dashboard and storytelling is a part of presentation format. After plotting all the graphs on worksheet, Tableau has a good option to create a number of dashboards, and these number of dashboard you can create the storytelling. Dashboard is a combination of several views that you can arrange for presentation or to monitor. At the same time, storytelling is a sequence of views or dashboard that work together to convey the information. Now let's see the example of dashboard. This dashboard consists of four worksheets. You can say worksheet number one consists of pie chart as per our databases. Worksheet number two consists of net profit with the help of bar graph, and number three worksheet consists of sales by subcategory with again the bar graph, and last worksheet, worksheet number four, consists of sale growth over the years with the help of area chart. So when we combine all these four worksheets in a single window, it is called as dashboard. And when we want to highlight or filtering the data as per our requirement, then it is called filtering and highlighting in the interactive dashboard. We will see one by one how this interactive dashboard is created in a Tableau. What are the benefits of dashboard? Number one, quickly create interactive visualization within the seconds or within the minutes as per your database. In just a few clicks, you can combine worksheets, add filters, and drill down into specific information. You can easily handle the large amount of data in Tableau dashboards. Excellent mobile support and fast sharing and publish is one of the main features of Tableau. So here we will stop. That is all about the introduction and installation of Tableau Desktop. We will see the next chapter in our next meeting. Thank you and happy analyzing.